If you're planning an event and looking for an efficient way to manage every step, Process.st's workflows can make your life so much easier. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to use Process.st to organize and streamline your event planning process, so you can keep everything running smoothly without missing any important details. First off, let's talk about creating workflows. The power of Process.st lies in its ability to set up customized workflows for every part of your event planning process. Whether you're coordinating a wedding, corporate event, or conference, you can create workflows to cover everything from sending out invitations to managing vendors and post-event follow-up. To get started, click on the Create New Template button. This is where you can build out your event planning workflows step by step. Process.st gives you the flexibility to add different tasks, assign due dates, and even create recurring tasks if your event planning spans over weeks or months. For example, you might create a workflow for managing guest lists, with tasks for collecting RSVP information, assigning seating, and coordinating transportation. Next, you can add checklists and assign them to specific team members. This is key for event planning because it ensures nothing gets overlooked. For instance, if you're working with a team, you can assign a task to someone for catering, another person for venue setup, and so on. Each team member can track their progress, mark off completed tasks, and add comments if anything needs attention. Now, let's talk automation. One of the most powerful features of Process.st is its automation capabilities. You can set triggers and actions that happen automatically when certain tasks are completed. For example, once the guest list is finalized, you can set it to automatically trigger an email confirmation to each guest or send out an event reminder a day before. This helps save time and keeps everyone on the same page. As your event planning progresses, you can also create different stages in your workflow. You can break down each phase of your event planning, initial concept, logistics, and execution into individual workflows and track them separately. With Process.st's easy drag and drop feature, moving tasks from one stage to another is simple and keeps things organized without overwhelming you. You can also use Process.st's integrations to streamline your event planning even further. If you use tools like Google Sheets, Slack, or Trello, you can connect them to your workflows, ensuring all your event-related information is in one place. This eliminates the need for jumping between apps, saving you time and reducing the chance of errors. And don't worry about keeping track of deadlines. Process.st has a calendar view where you can see all your tasks and their due dates. This makes it easy to visualize your event planning timeline and ensures you're meeting important milestones. To keep everyone updated, you can use Process.st's notifications. Whether it's an event planner or a vendor, anyone involved in your workflow can get real-time notifications on updates, approvals, or when tasks are ready to be completed. At this point, you're probably thinking, this sounds great, but can I really get started for free? Yes, you absolutely can. You can use Process.st for free with an exclusive trial offer available through the first link below. Not only that, you'll get some extra bonuses that'll help you get the most out of the platform. In conclusion, Process.st's workflows make event planning easier, faster, and more organized. Whether you're managing small or large-scale events, this tool will help you stay on top of every detail. Don't forget to click the link below for an exclusive extended free trial and start using Process.st today to plan your next successful event.